and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this HTC Hero. Doesn't have a battery or a back cover, so we'll just be doing corner and face down drops on it. So we'll start at waist height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, and you can see where it hit right there. Look at it, bounced up here on the top as well. Nothing too bad. I don't know if it's going to crack or not from this drop, but it shouldn't. But in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so good thing is it didn't crack. Definitely got some marks over here on this edge. Down here at the bottom. The trackball probably saved it a little bit in this bumper up here. I think we're going to do a drop down on the top from waist height as well. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, that was perfect. So you can see we got some damage right there. Nothing too bad. Screen still isn't cracked. So let's go ahead and go from head height. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, no, it landed on the screen. So it cracked. I'm going to guess that landed straight on the screen for the most part. Completely shattered. From here to here, I would say. Not completely, I would say mostly though. So let's go and do the corner drop maybe. Now that it's cracked, that's great. So in 3, 2, 1. It's all landing on the screen again. It's really hard to go from that high with no battery and stuff, but there we go. It's pretty much cracked. We're going to do a throw drop real quick. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go see what happened to it. So here it is. Ooh, you can definitely tell it cracked a lot more up there. Looks like it maybe hit on that corner. It's pretty flat right there, so I think it did. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.